Hello everyone! Now we will learn the color blue. Do you know what is blue? Let's go! This plane is blue. This plane is blue. The whale is blue. The whale is blue. This macaron is blue. This macaron is blue. Blueberries are blue. Blueberries are blue. Water drops are blue. Water drops are blue. Snowflakes are blue. Snowflakes are blue. Clouds are blue. Clouds are blue. And now, let's repeat it again. What do you think? Can we? This plane is blue. This plane is blue. The whale is blue. The whale is blue. This macaron is blue. This macaron is blue. Blueberries are blue. Blueberries are blue. Water drops are blue. Water drops are blue. Snowflakes are blue. Snowflakes are blue. Clouds are blue. Clouds are blue. Great! You are very clever. Do you know the color blue yet? Of course you did. See you in the next video.